Thanks, T-Brad. I've been told it's always best to be yourself. Well, what happens if you're a jerk? In case you're wondering, I am from here. Earth. Whenever I get constipated, I take a drug whose side effect is diarrhea. I want to have a real obscure last name, like Hilderschnott. Someone comes up to me, I tell them my last name. They ask, "Are you related to that Hilderschnott?" And I go, "No." If a British person comes to an American baseball game and makes the smile cam, do they blur out his teeth? I like to mess with car washes by egging the outside of their building. You can tell how old a tree was by how many rings it had. You can also tell how fat a kid is by how many onion rings he had. I have a schedule book, but I just can't find the time to fill it out. I finally mowed the grass on my chia pet. If you look closely at my lint, you can see my pants pocket. I want to have a play with all my minimum wage friends who get overlooked at their job, and they'll get to show off all their talents, but I'll only pay them minimum wage. Bernie Madoff's last name is appropriate because he made off with a lot of money. But I will never hang out with John Murder You. I hate running over animals. The other day, I ran over my great-grandfather, reincarnated as a squirrel. Yesterday, I took my baby to work. He's a Gerber food tester. I have an empty bookshelf where I collect dust. I only vacuum popcorn kernels. When I'm done, I rip open the bag and watch a movie. People say I have a baby face. This is exactly what I look like when I was born. I think the Blue Man Group took the job from the White Man Group. I have a problem. When I'm in La La Land, my mind wanders. I like to decorate my house with wallpaper that has pictures on it. Gangster wallpaper has pictures on it. Bullet holes. I lie around all day and come up with motivational sayings. This is cruel. I was driving by an Alzheimer's facility, and their address was Memory Lane. I go to the Jehovah's Witness church and knock on their door. Whenever I get drunk, drinking draft beer, I often think to myself, I never signed up for this. They say you can tell a lot about a comic by the jokes he tells. Well, good luck with that. I've been Michael Friedman. Thank you, guys.